Today I'm going to show you how to block participation in X research surveys on X, formerly Twitter, in just a few quick steps. If you've been getting survey-related notifications and you want to turn them off, this tutorial will walk you through exactly where to go in your account settings. This is a simple privacy and notification change, and it only takes a minute once you know where to find it. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick X tips and tutorials. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, open X and make sure you're logged into the account you want to change. On the left navigation bar, click on More. This opens up the additional menu options inside your account. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps most of the account, privacy, and notification controls. Next, click Notifications. This section controls the types of alerts and messages you receive from X. After that, click Preferences. You'll now see different notification preference options that you can customize. Now click Email Notifications. This is the area where X lets you manage what gets sent to your email inbox. Look for the option labeled Participation in X Research Surveys. To stop receiving these survey invitations, simply toggle it off. Once the switch is turned off, you should no longer get notifications related to participation in X research surveys, and that's it. The setting is now disabled. You've successfully blocked participation in X research surveys in X.com or Twitter. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy step-by-step tutorials.